Hi friends, welcome to Just Fooding. Today I'm gonna show a very special fish recipe, Kerala Meen Pollichada. Here the fried fish is steamed in banana leaf with spicy onion masala. Let's begin the video checking out the ingredients first. For the preparation you can select any fish. I am taking fish tilapia. For masala preparation we need 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, some chilies, curry leaves, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped and half cup of finely chopped shallots or onions. Next, we need to prepare a thick masala paste for marinating the fish. Mixing half teaspoon of chili, turmeric, coriander, pepper, pinch of fenugreek powder, some salt, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and oil. Marinate the fish with this thick masala. As you can see, I have made deep slits in the fish for the marination to penetrate in. After the marination, refrigerate the fish for 30 minutes. Now in a frying pan, let's begin frying fish adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Let me say you can marinate the fish for more than 30 minutes. The longer it is kept for marination, the dish will taste really good. Take care to see that the fish is not completely cooked now because we will be cooking it again with the masalas. I recommend adding curry leaves, chilies, at this point of frying. It will really add good taste to your dish. The fish is almost cooked and that is enough for now. Let's keep this aside as we need to cook it again with the onions and all. In the same masala pan, we can begin preparation of the masala. So if needed, we can start with adding half to 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Into it, I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few numbers of fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, adding minced garlic. Keep sorting these ingredients. After adding salt, adding green chilies and finely chopped shallots or onions. Once you can see the shallots have changed its color, you can begin adding the chopped tomatoes. After sauteing them for a minute, now you can add the masalas. I'm adding half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. As we need to cook ingredients very well, we are adding half a cup of water into it. Mix them for a while and then you can add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Close the pan with the lid, cook for 2 minutes in low flame. Now I'm adding the fried fish with the cooked masala. As you can see, I'm binding the masalas all over the fish. Allow it to be in pan for 2 minutes in low flame. This is the mouth-watering moment for me, guys. To see the fish is thickly packed with the masalas and that aroma. Wow! Now let's get the banana leaf ready for wrapping. The raw leaf are likely to get teared. So to avoid that, just run the banana leaf over the flame for 2 to 3 seconds. Now I have transferred the fish with the masalas added to the banana leaf which I want to wrap. As you can see, just slowly wrap the banana leaf and tie it with the string. If needed, you can use another set of leaf. Just make sure it is perfectly packed with the leaf. After this, you need to refrigerate this pack for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Like 20 minutes before you start serving the dish, you can begin heating tawa adding a teaspoon of oil. Once the pan is heated, you can place the banana wrapped this fried fish on top of it. Let it heat in medium flame for at least 5 minutes. After that, you can flip the other side and let it heat for 5 minutes. Hey guys, now comes the yum part. You see the bread fish fry with spicy onion masala and it is roasted again in tawa to get that fried and burnt flavor of banana leaf. You see, that gives a unique flavor to the fish and believe me guys, the taste is divine. I'm absolutely sure that all the fish lovers will do try this recipe at least once. And I also think that anybody can like having fish when they try it with this kind of recipe. Guys, I think you must have noticed that with very few and simple ingredients, we were able to make such a very good dish out of fish. I hope you all like this recipe, so do share this with your friends, like my video and also subscribe my channel. See you all in my next video. Goodbye.